from my personal closet and listing them on my Poshmark app. I'm going to take you through some basic steps. If you've never used Poshmark before, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the app and how you can start selling on Poshmark. Don't have Poshmark as an app, you can download it for free, and I will leave the link down in the description below. I already have it on my phone. I have sold almost 11,000 items on the app so far, and today I'm just going to be pulling items from my personal closet and listing them on the app with you. Sometimes pulling items from your own closet can be really challenging because you love so many of the items, but you might not wear them. My favorite method is just to pull the items that I don't wear that much and that I can't really see myself wearing within the next few months. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave the link for my closet also down in the description below, and I'd love for you to go in, check those out. And what's awesome about Poshmark is that you can make an offer on an item that you like, and maybe the buyer will, or maybe the seller will counter, or they might just accept your offer. So if there's anything that you like that I'll be pulling from my closet, please go make an offer on it, and I would be happy to accept or possibly counter. The first item I am going to put in my Poshmark closet is this pair of pants. I have a lot of workout pants that I use, and I think I can narrow it down just a little bit. And this is a really cute, trendy pair of pants. I think it'll do really well on the Poshmark app. These are the brand Alo, which I love this brand. I think they make a lot of really nice quality items, and you can see that these are really cute. So I'm going to be pulling these to list in my closet. Another item that I think I can do without is this pair of high-waisted vintage cut-off Levi's, and these are the orange tab, really cute. These are cute, but I just don't wear shorts that much. This is an Anthropologie top. I think it's cute, but it's just not my personal style. I like more fitted items, and this is a loose, flowy top. It's cute, but I think I'm going to get rid of it. This top is cute, but it's kind of the same reason as I'm getting rid of the other one. This is another brand from Anthropologie. This is HD in Paris. It's cute with the little tassels on it, but I don't really wear strappy styles like this, and I think it would be better suited for somebody who would wear it a little bit more than I do. This belt has gotten a lot of wear, and I think it's time to retire it from my closet. This is from Coach, and it's just a chic little belt. So I'm gonna be putting this up in my closet. This is a Madewell tank top. It is more of the boxy style, and right now I'm just into the more fitted style, so I'm going to be listing this one in my closet as well. After I'm done pulling these items from my closet, I'm going to be going through how I list them on Poshmark and how easy it is, and then also the shipment process. So don't be worried if you've never used the app before. I will try to explain it and go through it with you the best that I can, and it is pretty simple, so I think that you will catch on pretty quickly. A juicy dress. I wouldn't wear it that much. It has like a button up front. It's cute, but it's just not something that I would get a lot of use out of. So I am going to be listing this juicy couture heart print dress in my closet. Another item that I won't be getting very much use out of, just because it's a little bit on the short side for me, is this, I don't even know what you call this. It's like an overall jumper. It's kind of like shorts with a zip up high-waisted front, and then it has these little pockets in the back, and then these go over whatever shirt you're wearing. So it's cute. I just won't be getting that much wear out of it personally. The final item is this carpet bag. I prefer the crossbody style, and I never really get any use out of these arm bags. So I will be listing this in my Poshmark closet, It's a cute little carpet style and it is in pretty good condition. So if you're interested in any of these items, I will be listing my Poshmark closet down below in the description. Started and list these items on Poshmark. If you don't have the app, go download it with the link down in the description and grab some clothes and list with me. Once you have the items that you want to list and the app downloaded, then you can go in and list an item. It usually takes like a minute to list an item, so it's really quick. I like to either model the items or lay them on like a clean background just so people can get a good idea of what the item is. There's a couple different ways that people like to do it. Some people might hang it on a hanger or use a mannequin. I just like to model it or do a flat lay, and that works pretty well for me in my closet. In the app, you can go to the middle bottom of the screen and click sell, and it will bring up a camera, and then you can start taking up to 8 pictures of whatever the item is that you're going to sell. So for this video, I'm just going to take a picture of me modeling it in the mirror, and it makes it super simple just to do it that way. And all I have to do is just strike a pose and take a picture. I like to just lay the shirt down flat, take a picture of the tag and the size and also the materials that the shirt is made out of. And then often I get the comment of how the measurements of the shirt, so I like to have like a measuring tape and just kind of measure how wide it is across, just so people know what that is, what that measurement is. So I usually do that. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's just something that I like to do and that I get asked a lot on the app. There are so many different ways that you can take pictures of your item, whether that's on the ground or using a whiteboard or modeling, or just hanging the item up like this. You can just snap a few pics of the item, and then you put in a short description of the item, like the size and maybe the materials, and if it's like a pair of pants, I always like to include the inseam. But just a short description and fill out the categories, whether it's shorts or a dress or a shirt, and the color, and then the price of the item, and then you're done. You're done listing your item. It is now available for someone to purchase on Poshmark. If somebody does purchase the item, the shipping is super simple. You can get boxes for free from USPS, whether that's walking into the USPS store and getting the free flat rate boxes, or you can also order them for free online where the shipping is free. And I will leave the link to their website down below also in the description in case you want to go order some free boxes for that sale. And it looks like I made a sale, so let's go package that item up. You make a sale, you can go into your profile page, click on My Sales by Download Label button, and just click that. You don't have to worry about paying for shipping in cases the buyer has paid the shipping, so that way you can just download the label and print it. What I like to do is put my items in a bag just to keep them safe during their transit. And I also include a little thank you note, and I box it up in my USPS box and tape on my shipping label that I just downloaded, and then I drop it off either at the post office or I leave it with my mailman. If you have the Poshmark app, please leave your closet link down below in the comments. I would love to go check out your closets, and I will also leave mine down in the comments so you can go check out mine. And if you don't have a Poshmark closet, go ahead and go to the link down in my description and you can download the app. And once you have that downloaded, I would love to know what your closet name is so that I can also share your items. Thank you so much for watching, and please leave any questions you have also down in the comments, and I will respond as soon as I can to all of those questions. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends!